Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As always, this is John with Backwoods Off-Road and Overlanding. Hope you like the new intro. Nice little interesting video here I've been wanting to do. Some things I've picked up over the years. Back when I started riding, we didn't have Facebook and YouTube and all this good stuff. It was, throw a helmet on if you had it, throw some boots on if you had them, and just figure that shit out. So today's video is going to be tips for short riders, new riders, really just shorter riders. I'm gonna get this camera turned around. Some of you experienced folks, feel free to leave a comment down below if you got any tips for these shorter guys. And for me, going from a WR 250 yard to the CRF, man, I had to use a lot of these tricks on that WR. But I'm gonna get into it, and I'm gonna show you. Even with this 300L, I'm 5'9". I've got like a 30-inch inseam. This is still a tall bike for me, guys. And man, I'm gonna have fun with that Primus bottle where it's at. But because I could get my leg up over it. But let's see how it goes. Let me show you a few things. Let's get this set up. Might be better from this angle. Okay, so I'm a short rider, 5'9". I mean, you can see, man. The seat height is up here in my gut, okay? So with the bike straight up and down. Oh, see, I hit my Primus. Yeah, I can get over pretty good. Decent. See how the bike's wanting to go that way on me. Okay. So here's a little trick. Turn your forks all the way to the right, and then hold your front brake in. Don't let off your front brake. This gives you good control. Pull the bike to you, not too far. You want to pull it this way, because if you need to, you can use your body if you go too far, and then you can get it back up straight. So we want to get it down a little bit. It's going to lower our height, and then we're going to swing over. Then as we go over, we're going to come to our right foot, and then throw our left foot on the left peg. Now we're ready to ride. Now, dismount's gonna be the same thing, just in reverse. Throw it, come over on my left leg, grab my brake, and that keeps my bike from rolling. And then, I got full control here. Then we pull it off, okay. That's probably the best tip here I can give you. I got a couple other things here I'm gonna show you. First, I need to see if I can get in. Let me make sure I'm in frame completely. Let me back up just a little bit. Okay, maybe we're in frame. If you're short, man, we've got about 3 different levels of riders. You got your rider, this is just basic 3 levels. You got your riders that wear full gear. You got your riders like myself that are gonna wear, a jacket and a helmet and, bare minimum. And then you got your guys that are riding around in shorts, flip-flops, and tank tops. Man, don't be that guy. Try to dress for the slide, dress for wherever you're riding, just be safe out there and be aware, take precautions. So here, next tip for short riders, man, get your pair of boots, guys. These aren't nothing fancy. These aren't riding boots. These are just work boots, but man, a good pair of boots. Man, these boots here add about 1.5 inches to my height. If you guys can see that. See my knee? A lot of height. All right, let's get on the bike the same way. Kicks in. Look how much more clearance. See, I hit my knee before. I'm holding the brake, turning the forks. I'm slinging my leg. Man, straighten up, throw your leg up, you're coming down. So much easier. Dismount, same way. Watch how much more room we got with an extra inch and a half. So much more room. Now, I'm gonna show you guys one more thing. Blue jeans. I have got where I don't like riding blue jeans. I'm gonna swap these out. I'm gonna show you what I mean. I'll be right back. Okay, we had to get a little bit of different angle for this one. And I'm gonna show you the difference here. But if you don't have this, let's see. You got a stock bike, you don't have these mods. This helmet lock, guys, man, if you've ever confidently, you guys have been riding for years, you've probably done this at least once, and it's probably worse than running into a hitch with your shin. And the best way to explain this is, you know how you got a gallon tea jug in the fridge and it's slam empty, and you go to pick it up expecting it to be full, and it like almost goes through the top of your fridge. If you confidently throw your leg over your bike and it's not high enough, you're gonna hit this helmet lock and it's gonna hit your kneecap, and it's painful, guys. It is freaking painful. And it'll make you want to sell your bike like right then and there, like I did my WR. The day I did that on my WR, I walked funny for like 3 days, and I went to my cousin and I said, dude, you know, F it, you can buy it, it's yours. I ain't taking it home. But let me show you what these blue jeans do. I want you guys to see how it restricts the motion of my leg. If you guys can see, I might have to take this off. Let's see if I can get it. See, it's already, see how I can't get my leg? See right here? I know I'm showing you my butt. No homo, guys. It's cool. If you like this shit, give me a big thumbs up, man. I'm cool with that too. But just your crotch, man, I can't pick my leg up. I'm too fucking short, guys. Sometimes it helps to like pull them up all the way. Let's pull them up all the way. You know, maybe where they're supposed to be, and let's, you know, get the most flex out of it. Still restricted, man. It's tight. Trying to get over. Man, that was tough. All right, let's get off. Fucking sucked. All right, now I'm gonna show you, let me go ahead and grab this here. All right. These are what I wear like every day. I've got like 3 pair, guys. These are made by, what's the company? Off the Grid. You guys gotta go check these out. They're a little on the pricey side, but I absolutely love them. And I'll show you right here. Hopefully you can see this on camera. Look in the crotch. They have got extra material right here. And guys, you don't get that restriction right there. I'm gonna swap these again so you can see what I'm talking about, okay? I'm gonna jump on and off real quick, and then we'll swap out, and I'll show you guys the difference. Can't get on it. Really had to sling my leg. I had to sling my leg to get it up and over. That sucks. That's just an accident waiting to happen on your knees, guys. All right, let's get off. See, I had to hop off. Let me throw these bad boys back on and show you the difference. Okay, guys. I got my off-grids on. I'm not even going to pull them up. I'm going to leave them, you know, this runs here about right there with my hip bone. I'm not even going to pull them up like I did the other ones. Watch what we got. Look at that. Man, so much more. And these are overlanding pants. It's really what they're marketed for, but they need to start making motorcycle pants. But guys, man, look at that. Look at that. On. Beautiful. Leave the kickstand up when you're getting off, turn your forks. Man, look how much more room I got. I think the difference in just a pair of blue jeans and like a pair of pants like this, man, that had to be at least 5-6 inches, if not more, of travel. I can get my leg up over this bike, man, which when you're shorty, that makes a difference. It makes a big difference. So definitely your gear you're riding, take a look at that. Get you a nice pair of boots. Man, a nice pair of boots is gonna add 1 inch to 2 inches depending on what you get. And that's gonna help a lot, guys. Like I said, lean your bike over, turn your forks. Don't let it go that way because it'll fall over and you just have to pick it up. Which it's no big deal. It's a bike. If you scratch something, guys, I've been laid this one over like a dummy like 3 times, but it's no big deal. Well, that's it for today. I got a few more tips. I'll do another video here in a couple days, maybe next week. Some riding tips for short riders, new riders. I'll have to get some different camera angles, get out on the road and whatnot, but I'll get that coming to you guys. Man, I hope you learned something here, and for you vertically challenged folks, I know we all can't be 6'6", but man, we can make it better. Hope you guys enjoy the video.